Animated stickers and GIFs can be entertaining, but they can also become distracting when they loop endlessly while you are trying to read your messages. Watch this video to learn how to pause these animations easily. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. From the list of options, select Accessibility. Next, navigate to Animation. Here, you will see two options, Stickers and GIFs. Simply toggle the switch to off next to the one you want to stop animating. Now, return to any conversation that contains stickers or GIFs. And you will notice that the stickers or GIFs have stopped animating and now appear as static images in your chats. This helps reduce distractions and makes reading your messages easier and more focused. So that's how you can stop animated stickers and GIFs from looping in WhatsApp chats.